Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1. Check your app drawer. Tap the app drawer icon on your device. You can also swipe up or down on most devices. Find the app for which you want to make a shortcut. Hold down the icon, and it will open your home screen. From there, you can drop the icon wherever you like.
Let's help you make your mark.
Check if the missing apps are installed. This is because if the app hasn't been installed yet, it will not appear on the home screen. If the icon is open, or update, it means it is installed already. Instead, if the icon is install, it means it hasn't been installed yet.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Tap your profile image on the top right portion of the app. Tap your Apple ID and key in your Apple ID passcode. Scroll down and select Hidden Purchases. Then, look for the app that you wish to unhide and tap the cloud arrow icon to re-download it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.